This is our Kombi-Pod. It has the single burner, hand burner, with the tambour door. Inside here, we've got 5 litre water bottles, which can be upgraded to 10 litre. We also have a mounting slot in the bottom there. And in this case, we've got a little bit of a wind rail and got the butterfly clips onto that. So the Kombi-Pod can be fitted on behind one of the front seats, either on the left or the right, or could also be fitted to the side of the van. There's a couple of table options. You can either have the mini table, which just clips on the front there, or we have the larger table. A bit more space. So we have a few fitting options. So the unit comes as standard with just bolts, so it could just simply be bolted down to any van, as in this van, it's just bolted to the floor. We also have some options for seat mounting fittings. So we've got some J-clips that can be fitted into, if you have seat mounts in the bottom of your van, we've got some J-clips. We've got some clips for the Citroen Space Tourer, Peugeot Traveller, for the Mercedes V-Class, Vito Tourer, Marco Polo Horizon, and then for the California Beach or Caravel multi-van, we've got some fittings for that as well. So I think the Kombi-Pod works best behind one of the front seats. So you can fold your bed out to here. So the 3-seat each bench would come to about here. In this case, we've got a siesta bed behind there. So this folds down, the bed folds out. So the Kombi-Pod is a universal fit. Fits into many vans, into many different positions. So have a look at our website, vangear.co.uk, and for more information.